For that, I'm just going for a new project, and I'm just going for the space, and then I can go for a structure one, and then next. And now I'm going to choose open structure wizard. In open structure wizard, we can go for predefined structures by inputting values. Okay, then you can go for open structure wizard and then go for finish. It is telling begin building your model by using standard parametric structural templates, trusses, surfaces, bay frames, and much more. So it is like template. We can just input in our structure and we can start working with. So once you click finish, so you will be available with this dialog box or this window, we can say. Here we can go for prototype models, saved models. Normally we choose prototype models. In here, truss, frame, and then surface, solids, everything we do have. Normally we will be using this topmost four. In that, I'm just going for frame models. Frame models, if you are considering like a building, you can go for bay frame. You can just drag and drop. You need to drag and you need to drop in this window. And later you can just go for modification. If you want some unique name, you can go for naming it, but naming is not an issue. I'm just going for apply. Now I'm just putting for apply. Can you able to see how the structure, even you can able to rotate and see. Okay. Now I'm just going for bay frame. I'm just going to modify. If you want only length of 10 meter and then width of 5 meter and then height of 12 meter, in that case only 4 floors. So divided by 3, we can go for 4 floors. And if you need only 2 bay or 3 bay here, so if it's like 30 feet or 10 feet, 10 feet, 10 feet, so you can go for 3 and then with 5 and we can go for 1. And I'm just applying. Can you able to see how we modify the things? So whatever you are inputting, you will get actually. If you want like only like 6 meters or 9 meters, you can go for 3 and it will reduce one floor actually. So like this, you can just go for, and then you just file and then merge model with the StatPro model. You need to use it. So it will merge it to the StatPro and you need to put yes. And it is asking for the origin. Normally you should go for 0, 0, 0, unless otherwise if you are going to merge with another structure. If you already have existing structure and you are going to merge this at a distance to the existing structure, then you need to put the values. Otherwise by default 0, 0, 0 and you need to click OK. Now we have got the structure into our drawing. Okay, like this you try doing lots of structures in that run structure wizard option. Now after we create a structure, normally we go for a cross section, like a general property and then support and load, and then we can go for analysis, and after we can design and we can, that's it. Okay, this thing we can go for. Okay, if you want to have any circular sections here, so for that I will show you some other example. This one is okay, like run structure wizard.
Yes.
Okay, I'm just going to close this file then. So I'm just going for another new file. So it is like it's existing already. S2 finish. Okay. Okay, it has some structures with this. So this time it is of string length. So can you see this kind of building? So this time you can have it as curved also. This hand curved also. It's like equal to manager. Okay, go ahead, string length. Column size, okay, I can go for 20. Column size, I can go for 0.3 meter, browser, 0.3, and then for the size, 0.23, plus 1. So this one is a sorry. We have a structure now. Yes. Now we can directly draw actually. Otherwise, even we can go for structure wizard. If you want to go for structure wizard after coming to the software, you can go for geometry and then run structure wizard. This is same. If you can get in the beginning, or you can come inside and you can go for. So you will get this window. This is what we got, before also. Okay. It is in geometry, run structure wizard. Geometry, run structure wizard. Now I'm just going for frame model and I'm just going to put bay frame. Okay. Here you can go for length and then width. So this one having length of 4 plus 5 plus 4, like 8, 13, and then length of 13, and then 6, 10, 11. This one we can go for later, and then we consider only 10, 10. 13 cross 10. Okay. Now I'm just going to put 13 length, and then width 10, and then G plus 2, like 3 3s are 9. So in that case, 3 meter. Now here you can go for number of bays along length. So if you want like evenly distributed, you can go for 4. Otherwise, if you are going for uneven, you need to select this one. See here, you can able to change the uneven things. For example, so 4, 5, 4, and then 3, 4, 3. So if you're just putting, it will come at it gone. It gone actually. You should put apply, otherwise it is going 30 and then 10 this way, like 10, 10 and then 9 and then 3. Here you can go for how much we need actually. We need to go for 4. So in that case, we need to go for number of days. You need to input the number of days 3, and then you can go for numbers. You can go for 4 and then 5. And then 4 and then click OK. And then here 3 only. Here we can go for 3. And then I'm just going for reset. You can reset in the sense it will go for default value. So 3, Control A, and then 4, Control A, and then 3, and then click OK. And then apply. Now got, like we have got. So now I'm just closing directly. Even closing also, it will show you the details. So click OK. Okay, and I'm just going for a top view. Okay, this is what we need. But here the extension of 1 meter, like here the extension of 1 meter, and then the curve beam of 3 meter. Okay, so we need to select only these 2 nodes. These 2 nodes I'm just selecting in top view. It will be selecting the whole nodes. See, in top view, if you're selecting, it will select the whole nodes. And then I'm just going for translational repeat. And then is the direction. Okay, is the direction. How much we need to put? -1. It is going down, like 1 steps, link steps, and then open base. Click OK. Okay, now can you able to see that we have created a generate rotate. No, this one we'll see later. So this rotation, this you can go for rotate right or rotate left, like that. Otherwise, you can go for 3D rendering, where you can able to see clearly. Okay, now we are going to create the thing. Now I'm just going for add beam, and then second option. You need to hold for a few seconds. You will get this kind of things, and then you need to select the second one. Otherwise, you can go for geometry, add beam, add curved beam. This option you can choose for curved beams.
Could you please explain why we take a 270-degree?
That one. See, 270 in the sense, you can consider this as x comma y. See, for example, if I'm just going for edit, and I'm just going for a 5 here also. See, now we have 0, 0, and we are always doing our work in first quadrant. So both are positive. Now we are going downward, means it is like a 0, 90, here 180, 270. So that's why I'm putting 270.
Okay. Yeah.
So these are like small things. If you are like okay with this, then you will feel comfort with this kind of software. Just small logic. If you don't know the logic, then you feel discomfort. Yeah. Now you know the logic. Now you can go for. I'm just going for translational repeat. I'm just going to put 2. I think the 2 is not needed. 1 and 2. Yeah, I will go for 1 and 2. And then I'm just going for 3 meter in y direction, link steps. Okay. Okay.